carefully so it doesn't splash. Ooh, that's okay. I hate to waste anything, particularly when I can save it with just a little bit of alcohol. Jam is a really good cocktail ingredient, but it's also very sticky, which means getting the last little bit out can be sort of annoying. Luckily, ethanol is an excellent problem solvent. To make a delicious and fruity jam-infused cocktail, all you need is an almost empty jam jar, and then 1.5 to 2 ounces of your favorite alcohol. I'm gonna use gin for this apricot jam. Just pour that directly into the jar. And now we just need to shake it. And you can see that the jar is pretty much clean. So then from there, you could do it as a shot, or you can add a nice little sphere of ice. And then I like to just finish it off with a tiny squeeze of lemon for some acidity to balance out that sweetness. Give it a little swirl, just to chill it down a bit and dilute it. And that's pretty freaking delicious. Other fun flavors you can try. We've got some blueberry jam here. I think that sounds pretty excellent with bourbon. And we add our ice cube. Oh God. Be more careful than me. And if you like, you can even close the jar and swirl it around, get some dilution going. Surprise, surprise, it's also very good. And for our strawberry jam, I'm gonna go with rum. If you wanna prevent splashing, you can use a stirring spoon to help lower that ice cube down in there. And I think I do like using the jar to dilute. And the great thing about this is you can just throw it in like a picnic basket or something. Sip and be happy. Also, if you don't have time to make a full-blown cocktail, that's fine. These all work equally well as shots. Mango preserves and rum, orange marmalade and tequila. I actually can't think of a single combination that wouldn't work well. I'm gonna drink these now. I'll see you next time on Eating Trash with Claire. Hi, it's Claire. If you're also a little bit of a trash panda and would like to see more delicious content like this, be sure to like and subscribe somewhere around here. Thanks for watching.